Science, lesson number 9, our body explanation video. In this chapter, we will learn about what is our body made up of, organ systems and regular exercise. Human body is like a machine. As a machine has different parts and each has a special function. In the same way, our body is also made up of different organs and they also perform various functions in our body. Let us move to our lesson's first topic, that is, what is our body made up of? Our body is made up of cells, tissue, organ system and organism. Now let us study what is cells. Cells are the smallest part of our body. A single cell is often a complete organism in itself. Now you can see here is a microscopic image of a single cell. Cells are the building blocks of the body. Tissue. Tissue is made up of many similar cells, a group of cells. As we have just now studied that cell is a single unit. So all the similar cells make a group and form a tissue. There are 4 types of tissue in our body. Organ. An organ is made up of different types of tissues. The heart, liver and stomach are examples of organs in humans. Here I have taken a picture of a stomach which is made with the help of different types of tissues. Organ system. An organ system is a group of organs that work together to perform certain functions in an organism's body. Example, digestive system, respiratory system, etc. Here is the picture of digestive system, which has different organs connected with each other to perform an organ system. Organism. An organism or a living being is made up of different organ systems. Here is the picture of our human body. You can see that different organ systems are connected with each other to perform various functions in our body, in a human body. See. So let us recall, cell is a single unit. Tissues are made by the group of similar cells. Organ made up of different tissues. Organ system is made by the group of organs and organism made by different organ systems. Now to remember this very easily, there is one sentence for that. So you can easily remember this. Captain took Olive on scooter. Here CTOONS represents cells, tissues, organ system and organism. It will help you to remember this easily. Now our next topic is organ system. Organ system has many organs that work together to perform one action. Now what does organ system consist of? Organ system consists of skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, respiratory system, nervous system, circulatory system, excretory system and reproductive system. The organs that can be seen are external organs and the organs that can't be seen are called internal organs. Now these are the organs we can't see, so they are internal organs. Now let us study these all organ systems in detail one by one. our first system is skeletal system. It is made up of hard and soft bones. There are around 206 bones in our body. You must have seen Munna Bhai MBBS movie. In that also, Sanjay Dutt tells that we never think while breaking someone's bones that there are overall 206 bones in a body. Now bones gives shape and form to our body. It gives a shape and form to our body. It also protects the inner part from getting injured. So now here you can see this is a skeleton. This is the image of a skeleton. It is made up of hard and soft bones, 206 bones, and it protects our inner part. Now next is muscular system. All our muscles together form muscular system. There are 600 muscles in our body. Muscles help to move different parts of our body. We are able to walk, run, jump, or do any other activities with the help of muscles. When muscles expand and contract, we are able to do these activities. Now next system is digestive system. Mouth, food pipe, stomach, liver, intestines, anus are the organs of the digestive system. Now before studying digestive system, let us see what is digestion. The process of changing food into substances that our body can use is called digestion. And this we do with the help of digestive system. Now let us study with the help of picture. The main function of this system is to break down the food and get energy. The main function is that it breaks down the food we eat. Why? So that our body can get us energy. So that we get energy and we can work properly. Now see. The food we eat is chewed by the teeth in the mouth. Saliva gets mixed with the food and makes it soft. With the help of food pipe, food then enters the stomach. In stomach, many digestive juices get mixed with the food and break it down to similar substances. In small intestines, the simpler form of food is taken in. Here it is the small intestine. Here the simpler form of food is taken in. And then the indigestive food goes to large intestine. Now this is large intestine. So the indigestive food goes to large intestine and comes out through anus from our body. To understand this better, see this. Now next system is respiratory system. We all need air to breathe in order to live. Nose, windpipe and lungs are the main organs of the breathing. Now the air which we breathe in, the air which we breathe inside our body is called inhaled air. And the air we breathe out, means we take out from our body, is called exhaled air. And the main function of this system is that it takes in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. Now nose purifies the air we inhale, so we should always breathe through our nose and not mouth. Now how does these three organs help in our respiratory system? Okay, let's see. We take in air through our nose. Air goes down the windpipe. The air reaches the lungs and the lung expands. You can see in this picture also that when the air is getting inside, the lungs expand. And when it is getting outside, the lungs contract. So this is how our respiratory system works. Next system is nervous system. Now, how does our body know what we have to do now? Who gives them order to perform activity? The brain. Yes, the brain tells it what to do. The brain, the spinal cord and the nerves make up our nervous system. Now, the brain is also called the control room of our body. Why it is called the control room? Because the brain gives order to different parts of our body to perform that activity. Now, how does this system works? Our five sense organs such as eyes, nose, skin, tongue and ears help us to feel and do different actions. Right? It helps us to feel our surrounding. Now, all the five sense organs are attached to the brain through nerves. With the help of nerves, these five sense organs are attached to brain. They feel and then send message to brain. The brain sends message to different parts of our body to work. Now, the spinal cords connect all the nerves of the body to the brain. See in this picture that red dots are coming out as an order from the brain through all the nerves of our body with the help of spinal cord. See, it is giving message to all the body. Now our next system is circulatory system. Just as a car cannot work without engine, our body cannot work without the heart. Heart, blood and blood vessels are the organs in the circulatory system. Now how they function? Our heart pumps blood to all the organs of the body. The blood is carried by blood vessels. Now what is blood vessel? It is a thin tube through which blood flows. So the blood is carried by blood vessel to all the parts of our body. A heart beats normally 72 times in a minute. Human heart rate is 72 times. It may differ from child, adult to old. Our next system is excretory system. Now in this system, two bean-shaped kidney, skin and lungs are the organs of this system. Now what is the function of this system? Excretory system cleans our body by throwing out body waste such as urine and sweat. Excrete means to remove. So our excretory system does the same thing. Now how these three organs help in removing waste from our body? Kidney removes the waste in the form of urine. Skin removes the waste in the form of sweat. And lungs gives out carbon dioxide when we breathe out. Now our next is reproductive system. We have already learned this system in living and non-living things. The reproductive system helps reproducing young ones. Always a female gives birth to a baby and not a male. So now let us move to our last topic of this lesson, that is regular exercise. Exercise and yoga helps to keep us healthy. Our body becomes unfit if we do not exercise regularly. Yoga increases our strength and builds our muscles. So to keep our body healthy and if we want that all the organs and all the organ systems works properly, we should always do exercise and yoga. I hope you have understand this lesson well, and now you also will take care of your body and do regular exercises. Thank you.